we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold tight.
What's up? My name is Mirza Hamzik. I'm a photographer slash videographer. That was a B. And every chance I get, I'm out exploring the world and sharing my experiences through my travel videos. My travel partners include my wife Stephanie and newborn daughter Emma. Destination Hamzik is all about documenting our travels with real experiences and no sugarcoating. Because while we encourage and love discovering new places, cultures, peoples, and food, it ain't always pretty. Deep breaths! Yeah, guys, welcome to Laguna Beach. This is how the fancy people live. What?
What is that?
Oh, that's a scorpion, dude.
I've been recording my experiences since 2017, but I really started taking it a little more serious in 2019 when I started uploading online with our travels through Bosnia-Herzegovina and Croatia. In the last year, we have road tripped through Utah, parts of California, and since Phoenix, Arizona is our current home, many desert settings right here in the Wild West. In the past 2 years, and with over 110 plus videos uploaded to YouTube, it was a long journey to that recent 1K subscriber mark, but it was a journey with plenty of fun moments, lots of learning from mistakes, bettering my photography and videography, and many computer crashes. Come on, Premiere Pro. YouTube has millions of creators and viewers, so it's not a surprise that it can be hard to get your content noticed and hard for you to find certain type of creators or certain type of local content. Because not all videos that have 100 views suck, and not all videos that have millions of views have content that you are interested in. If you're a creator, then stick around because the next couple of minutes are for you. If you're not, then still stick around to find out, as a viewer, where to find the best local videos catered to your interests. NewsBreak is a platform to find local news and videos catered to whichever niche you are interested in. Like travel? Then download the NewsBreak app or go to their website, type in your area and enjoy local content, or type in any other area of interest. But it doesn't stop there, because I would highly recommend NewsBreak for creators like myself or creators of any other genre to download the NewsBreak app and apply to be a creator, because the platform is bustling with viewers ready for your content. Simply put, your videos easily find their right audience and in turn have more views. Check this out. In less than a month, I uploaded 10 videos as a NewsBreak creator and was able to receive 500,000 impressions and over 50,000 video views because my travel videos were reaching the right audience. YouTube can be a hit or miss at times, and today it feels that random videos get random views as the algorithm goes crazy. For example, this video over on NewsBreak received 96,000 impressions and over 9,000 views, while the same video on YouTube has a measly 235 views. So creators, do something for your videos and get them to the right audience. My experience with NewsBreak has been overly positive, and yours can be too. So what are you waiting for? The NewsBreak Creator Program is amazing. Come and join us.
Take me back, all the way back to them days.